Hello YouTube, another update on the video. Jeep Grand Cherokee 2014 doesn't start. The day before yesterday, that was the first problem after like 2-3 weeks straight. The day before yesterday, and yesterday was fine. Today it's not working again. As you see, the problem coming up usually always after the rain. So it was a rain early in the morning. As you see, the ground is wet. Plus I have in the middle of the backyard I have a gravel, and this is the main point where the all piping, you see this open concrete right here, open concrete. This is pipes going inside the gravel, inside the driveway, and they all meet up in this point. And after that I have even drain one right there. So they all meet up here and they come straight here, and this is a one big gravel here and here. So usually it's after the rain, but sometimes when it's very, very hot, like in the summer, and the gravel has the water, let's say inside, the humidity coming up exactly under the car, under the engine basically. I guess that's the starting the problem with my starter. So I'm gonna have to pick her up again. Unfortunately, that's the thing that I have to deal with it now, because I didn't have a time to fix it. Okay, let me get this thing up. Okay, you guys has to put the brakes, emergency brakes, and if you have it, air suspension in your car like me, unfortunately that's the you need to do this procedure before you jacking the car. You need to disable suspension, suspension, tire jack mode. Okay. Okay. Up. It's possible to see from this side. Where are you? Where are you? I can see you. Okay. I don't think it's possible. From this side. Yeah. This is better. Okay, so what we do, we take this clip again, take out, put it back, take out, put it back, wiggle it a little. I think I need to get some fluid that can clean the metal. Like they have a fluid, special fluid that clean electricals contacts. Wiggle it a little. Yeah, that's it for now. But this one, this is rusty right here. I don't like this, so am I gonna need to change the whole thing, a whole starter, or I will try to clean this connection clip somehow and maybe put some soldering on this piece, a little more soldering, make it like a little thicker for this clip. When it's connected together, it's like has more contact together. So let me try to start now. It's kind of hard. Oh, going under the car in a clean clothes. Oh, what is it? Shit. Yep, as always, you see, starts. Okay, I'm gonna need to find some time to fix this problem because it's already October. It's getting cold, it's getting wet basically every day. And it's like October 30th today, I believe. Yeah. So I need to find a time and fix this thing. Because I don't want to come in every morning and do this procedure every day. Especially in the cold or in the wet conditions. Yeah, and as soon as I will fix it, I will try to make a video what I will do. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna think right now, and in the next couple of days I need to find the time to do this. Okay guys, If you have any questions, comments, please feel free to contact me. I will answer it